my God. Big up the whole island massive. It's your boy Chet coming straight from the Golden Globes, you watching? Me father Tom Hanks presenting in a what soon forward come. Big up, tune in.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Now why is it that Chet Hanks is putting on a Jamaican accent? Is the question everybody asks on social media from the other day. Well, if you don't know who Chet Hanks is the son of well-known American actor Tom Hanks. And to answer the question, while Chet Hanks was on the red carpet, he put on a little Jamaican slur, right? And it went viral on social media as Jamaicans all over started to share it and get a little laugh, right? Now people, it went so viral that Chet Hanks wanted to do it even more because he realized how the Jamaican people them take on to him little video clip. Make you watch another little one.
Yo, big up the youth them way out of Kingston. Me wake up this morning and me see the thing turn up. Internet gone mad. Respect, you don't know. Me soon forward a yaad. Booyaka, booyaka.
Another one that him get it even better than on the red carpet. No, tell me if him get it little better. Me say yeah, him get it little better. Well, that one they go viral too, and Chet Hanks I say wait the man. The Jamaican people them really love when time I put on them accent. Alright, so what the man make sure if you do, the man make sure if you come out with another video and explain. Say listen, this is meant as no disrespect to the Jamaican culture at all. I'm kinda like that. Me respect that from Chet. You know what I say? I'm gonna make on hear where the man have to say for himself. Because here we know say as much as some of we laugh about it and say yo it's funny, there are some others who we get yo how am I going like him want mock Jamaica so and all them things. But the man make sure if he come out and make gonna understand say yo there is no disrespect. You know, I have crazy respect for the culture. You see it? So make we take a listen to what Chet Hanks has said.
Yo, hear me now, check this out. 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright. Enough's enough, right? Look, never in a million years would I have thought that me just goofing around on the red carpet would have got so much attention. But man, it's been crazy. And one thing I'm not joking about is my love and appreciation for Jamaica, the Jamaican culture. That has been incredible. All the love that I've been getting from Jamaica has been really incredible. It's touched me deeply in my heart. So thank you guys so much. I just wanted to say thank you. You know it's all in good fun. I'm a goofball, I goof around, but that's one thing I'm not joking about is my love for the Jamaican people, the Jamaican culture. I hope you guys get a chance to check out the song that we dropped today, Harley. The link's in my bio. Please check that out. My group's called Something Out West. And just, again, thank you guys so much. Much love and respect, Jamaica. That's what's up. Thank you.
Yeah, I understand my brother. Me get exactly what you say. Me know you're not try this with culture, man. Cause here what? We, our own people, a chat about say yo them not like to use patois. Even a government, right now we see them a chat about say yo patois is not of Jamaican and politicians need to stop talk patois and all these things. Here Chet. Meanwhile, them a try to dash with our raw patois, who not try to pick it up because it is just such a good thing to listen and a good thing to talk. You see it? Yeah, real talk. It is who we are. Jamaicans. That's how we chat. You see it? Watch out man people. Talk to me down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this. Do you think say it's a good move that or you think government needs to focus on something even bigger than how Jamaicans talk? Focus on more important things. Talk to me down in the comment section about that specifically, if you agree or disagree. Let's move on to our next topic. People, Spice and I look at that and Nicoletaya play a game, see? And the game is Spice supposed to give some demonstrations or act out certain things, and I look at that are supposed to guess who the entertainer is Spice I talk about. Now people, one of the demonstrations where Spice gives Spice say, yo, anytime the entertainer you come on social media or in them videos is always crazy antic and be a craziness that entertainer you go on with. People, Spice look at that, go say, MACKEREL. Watch for yourself.
When you watch our videos, you do be craziness like I. That guy, what you feeling about this? That's a shock mad. She crazy. She's from overseas. No, she's from overseas. Lady.
Lady Gaga.
So I only like that little game there a while ago with Spice and her daughter. Yo, it make me laugh every time I hear she say mackerel. Talk to me down in the comment section, make me know about the thing. See it? Anyway, so on the topic of Spice here, my people, Spice recently buy her baby sister a brand new Jeep for her birthday. And Spice I say, yo, she go on like she IPC because she celebrate the same birthday date as the king of dancehall, Vybz Kartel. Check out Spice and her sister celebration for her birthday. I'm just gonna make it roll into when she bring her the Jeep.
Birthday to you.
Hey!
Birthday to you.
Hey! Back it up and it's your birthday, babe. Back it up and it's your birthday. Hey! So when I pull this off of you, you're gonna open the gift, but you're not allowed to look sideways or whatever. I'm going to give you 3 gifts, okay? So you can't look back, but this is your gift. Look it out now. Okay, so it's here. It's a bundle here! Alright, so all this excitement right here. What do you mean all this excitement from here? Well, I really wanted here. Then open your boxes right here. That's all this excitement for here. For here? You don't normally just put it in a box. Your gift is behind you. Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday! Yeah, man, esta no va a echar aquí abajo. I'm gonna get it there. You guys are all of different points like
A bundle here.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Watch out!
Yeah. Ben.
Yo! That's the one!
How you feel? How you feel? Eh? Excited.
Hey, look at you. Yo! I pressed that. This is the start of the jar. Oh, tambad. You can't stop now. Birthday girl! Yo, thanks to who? We are trying with the poor whole thing. Alright, later. Bye. One.
I saw family Philip. You see, not because she a celebrity still, you know, but family to make sure say family happy. Talk to me down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the Jeep Spice by her sister. You see, and yes, me know that the trolls are gonna come in and talk about Spice same way. But we welcome you same way. Talk to me down in the comment section. Me not go black, you know. Yeah. Moving right along. People said the other day there was a singing soup who dropped the Informer song. You remember that soup there though? Yeah. Well, now I have another clip to show you of another police officer who has shown say yo, him have some singing talent too. Check out the officer here.
Which is right. Yo, you know what's the real bad thing this now? Them don't know me. Them don't know me. Real cop. Make me tell you this. I don't know me bad, a long time me bad. Bad before soap no rock, but I don't know me bad, a long time me bad. Chew me now boast and brag, I don't know me bad, a long time me bad. Bad before soap no rock, but I don't know me bad, a long time me bad. So me bad before. You up day and night bad before. Cartel town white and me bad before. The Mercy moonlight before Black River get light and me bad before. You want to start a hype before my ties start bite. Before police pants have in the red strap. Before Coca-Cola makes Sprite. I don't know me bad, a long time me bad. Bad before soap no rock, but I don't know me bad, a long time me bad. Chew me now boast and brag, I don't know me bad, a long time me bad. Bad before soap no rock, but I don't know me bad, a long time me bad. So me bad before. Oh, start lay head long before Bob Marley turn dread and me bad before. Condition get red before national beer bread and me bad before. Bob Marley meet Rita before diamond start glitter. Before apple tangent start make rum. Before simple Bible get bitter. I don't know me bad, a long time me bad. Bad before smoke no rock, but I don't know me bad, a long time me bad. Chew me now boast and brag, I don't know me bad, a long time me bad. Bad before smoke no rock, but I don't know me bad, a long time me bad. So me bad before gun see me make gun before. Herb McKinley start run before. Easter no bun before cornmeal start turn. Before Miss Kitty sing la 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 la. Before Massacre start fa la 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 la. Before Devin the actor. Before Super Cat sing sha la 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 la. I don't know me bad, a long time me bad. Bad before soap no rock, but I don't know me bad, a long time me bad. Chew me now boast and brag, I don't know me bad, a long time me bad. Bad before soap no rock, but I don't know me bad, a long time me bad. Boom, break up, I am out.
Man, the officer bad, me not gonna tell no lie, but me know say someone gonna say, yo, Jano, the police should not sing about badness still. Me know how to think already. But anyway, touch me down in the comment section, make me know how to think about how the officer deliver the track a while ago. Me like how the man a sing, yes, I say. The man say my bad before Vibes Cartel turn white. The one say my bad before Bob meet Rita. Yo, Jan was start. The part of me like still, the man say my bad before all single Bible start bitter. Yo, the artist bad. But other people has been said, touch me down in the comment section. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. If this is your very first time here, and you like the way how me deliver the video them too, no, and you like the way how me fun and interacting, you don't know, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So once you upload a video, you will get that alert. See it? And become a part of the Unstoppable family. This has been Unstoppable, and I'm out. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.